Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you the global version, the original, brand new top-selling best dashboard camera product on Aliexpress with discount price. Check discount price and buy from description below link.in. Today's fast-paced world, staying safe on the road is more important than ever. Whether you're commuting daily, going on long drives, or working as a delivery driver, having a 4K car dashboard camera has become an essential piece of technology in your vehicle. With ultra-clear video, smart features, and compact design, 4K dash cams are redefining road safety in 2025 in this article. We'll explore what makes a 4K dash cam stand out, why you should install one, and what features to look for when buying one. What is a 4K car dashboard camera? A 4K car dashboard camera, also known as a 4K dash cam, is a compact video camera mounted on the windshield or dashboard of your car. It records ultra-high-definition footage, 3840 x 2160 pixels, which is 4 times clearer than standard Full HD. These cameras continuously record your journey, providing crystal-clear footage of everything happening in front of, and sometimes behind, your car. WIFI. A 4K dash cam is a must-have in 2025. Ultra-clear evidence in case of accidents. In the unfortunate event of a road accident, blurry footage can lead to disputes or unclear judgment. A 4K dash cam captures tiny details like license plate numbers, road signs, and driver behavior, all in razor-sharp clarity. Protection against insurance fraud crash for cash scams are still on the rise. Dashcam footage can help protect you from fraudulent claims by showing exactly what happened. Parking surveillance. Many 4K dashcams offer parking mode, meaning they can record while your vehicle is parked. If someone bumps into your car or tries to break in, the camera captures it all. Monitor driving behavior. Parents can use dash cams to monitor teen drivers. Fleet managers also use it to track and improve employee driving habits. Share scenic drives. Thanks to the stunning 4K resolution, you can record scenic road trips and share them on YouTube or social media. Travel vloggers love dash cams for this reason. Why features to look for in a 4K dash cam? When choosing the best 4K car dashboard camera in 2025, here are the features that really matter. 1. True 4K resolution. Some cheap models upscale from 1080p. Look for dash cams with real 3840 x 2160 resolution sensors, such as Sony IMX335 or IMX415. 2. Wide-angle lens. 140 degrees. A wide-angle lens captures more of the road and surroundings, great for recording adjacent lanes, pedestrians. 3. Loop recording. This feature automatically overwrites old files when your memory card is full. That way the camera never stops recording. 4. G-sensor. Impact detection during a collision. The G-sensor locks and saves the footage so it's not overwritten. 5. Wi-Fi and app support. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to view and download videos to your smartphone via an app. No need to remove the South Dakota card every time. 6. GPS tracking. This records your speed, location, and route, useful for insurance claims or fleet monitoring. 7. Night vision. Look for models with HDR or infrared night vision to ensure clear recording in low light conditions. 8. Parking monitor. Motion detection or time-lapse recording while parked adds an extra layer of protection when you're away. Installation and setup easier than you think. Most 4K dash cams come with suction cup or adhesive mounts. Dual USB car charger. Long power cables for easy routing. You can mount it behind the rearview mirror, plug it into your car's cigarette lighter, and final thoughts. A 4K car dashboard camera isn't just a fancy gadget anymore, it's an essential part of modern driving. From protecting yourself legally to capturing once-in-a-lifetime moments, a 4K dash cam adds safety, clarity, and peace of mind. Whether you're a daily commuter or road tripper, 2025 is the perfect time to invest in a reliable 4K dash cam. Think of it as your silent witness, always watching, always protecting. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Top Dashboard Camera 2025 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.